So hey guys, welcome to another fresh video. It is 11:13 in the morning, so good morning. Have a great day ahead. So the plan for today is my bike is facing some problems. I'll just go and go to the mechanic and get it fixed. Before even I move forward, I would like to thank each and every one of you for subscribing, for viewing my content, and liking the videos, commenting on the videos, sharing them too. So thank you guys. I hope you all stay supportive like this. Yeah. Also, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. And obviously, we are taking the bike now. The thing is, it's raining in Goa for like the past 5-6 days, like hell. There's no chance to even get out and like come dry back home. So now I just carried my rain liners as well. So I'll start the bike and I'll meet you all downstairs. So just check the weather outside. It's raining very heavily. Yeah, so I thought that I would do some motovlogging. That's why I had like mounted the setup as well on the helmet. But I don't think so that's gonna be possible in this kinds of weather. So I'll just quickly pick up my stuff and I'll meet you downstairs on the bike. Yeah, so I just cold started the bike and just look how heavily it's raining. I don't think so this rain will let me leave the house today. Let's just wait for another like 10-15 minutes and I'll meet you all back. So the rains have subsided finally and it's like time to move out. Yeah. Yeah, so we finally reached the garage and the work has also started. So basically the problems that we are facing are, one is with the cone set, like on every, even like small bumps, like we can feel vibration in here. Secondly, we are changing this oil, the oil of the front spokes on both the sides. And the third one is that here we get some like squeaky noise, like since this is the monoshock, we are getting some squeaky noise. Also just keeping it idle has resulted in rusting of the chain. That too, this is a very like new brass chain. It's not even like 500 kilometers since I've installed it. So we'll have to lube that as well. Yeah. The brake pads are also worn out. It will do like around 500 to maybe 200 kilometers more. We'll have to change them as well. Yeah, so like whatever the updates are, I'll keep you all informed. So we managed to open the cone set successfully and like it's like bit dried up. There is like no fault with the cone set. Just some greasing will do the work. So now we'll be greasing it and we'll be putting it back and we'll be checking it. Yeah, so also we are pumping and draining out the oil from the front suspension as well. Yeah, so guys, like whenever you all walk, especially around your tank areas or maybe whatever like panels and other stuff, please make sure that like you cover your tank, you cover the like all the parts that are prone to getting scratches while using the tools. So it's a quick suggestion, like always be careful, because like only a rider will know like what pain it will cause once your like tank or whatever part gets scratches. So we are just draining out the suspension oil, the front fork oil, and so we are refueling it with so we are putting the essential fork oil only by Royal Enfield, that is 250 ml. Each side takes around 2.5 of these cans. Okay, so like per fork takes 450 ml of this oil. We'll be putting the Royal Enfield oil only. Guys, just check out the weather outside. It looks like it's evening 7 o'clock at 6:30, 7 o'clock. But look at the time. It's just 12:41. That too in the afternoon. Just look at it. The rains are pretty crazy this time. So we are just lubricating the cone set and we'll be fitting it back. So this what we are filling is a waterproof grease. Always make sure that you use a waterproof grease on the cone set, because like this part is like very prone to water splashing over here, because it's like obviously the front tire will come here and then water splashes up right here. So if there is not adequate grease, then like your cone set starts rusting. In my case, I used waterproof grease only previously, so the quality of the cone set is like still pretty much the same. And this is the cone set from Art of Motorcycles, which I had ordered and installed just like around 5,000 kilometers back. If you all want that, you all can check the video of that as well. I'll provide the description, like link in the description. So since the cone set is installed now, we'll be like refilling the front spokes with 240 ml of oil. Oh no, sorry, 450 ml of oil, and we'll be fitting them as well. So after filling the oil, we just have to pump it so that all the air that's trapped in is released. And then we finally put the spring, and then we start like sealing it up. So we mounted that the front forks, front suspension, and since once we started it, we found some like tapping because of the valve setting. So we are just checking if the valve setting is correct. Although I had done it just like 300 kilometers back from the Royal Enfield showroom itself, but I don't think so they have done the job well. So we'll be doing this now. We'll be checking and resetting it. Let's see if that does the work. So what he's doing now is he's checking the timing. So like he has just unscrewed the nut here, and through which he's checking the timing. So with the help of that, the valves will like come up and he'll be able to set it up properly. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but that is the tool that they use to check the spacing for the valve setting. So depending on that, on this, they check the valve setting and they adjust it accurately.
Alright, thank you. Okay. So we are done with the job. It's time to leave. Although I thought like it would take a long time, but fortunately it was done. So also I guess this is my first motovlog on the channel. I'm very excited for the result.
phone from the mount. There's some water that's gone in. That's not going to be a problem. Yeah, so I'll meet you all guys at home. Yeah guys, so I just reached back at home and I'm super hungry. I tried to motovlog, but I did not test the audio quality before, so it's not that great. Although I'll be putting like cinematic shots of motovlogging, but the audio quality is not that great. Much disappointed because of that, so I'll have to work around it and like check on a different type of setup. Yeah, so that was it for today. If you liked anything in the video, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down like whatever you liked or maybe did not like. Please do comment down and like let me know. Thank you. That was it for today. Be safe and ride safe.